Hi, it's Sherry from A Quilting Life, and I'm here with two of my children, Chelsea from Chelsea Stratton Designs and Billy McConnell, our producer. And we have some exciting news to share with you today. We have mentioned this before, but we did reach 100,000 subscribers, and we're going to do a little unboxing of our silver plaque and also talk about a few memories.
Absolutely. So I forgot I was going to be on camera today, so there's I have a baseball cap on or a golf cap on actually today. But I was going to start real quick, and we're going to show you the plaque we received. But I wanted to go over a few of, in case people are new and weren't watching us from the beginning, just give you a couple landmarks of our YouTube channel where and how we got to this point. So our first video was actually released on November 10th, 2014. It's still up there if you want to search for it. It's a 1/4 inch seam allowance video. And we did that then, and we had a total of 6 videos that we did through the end of 2014 and one video we released in January of 2015. And that was just 6 videos we did. My mom and dad, they lived at a house, the previous house, and we did those. And I don't even, do you remember? I think you just said, hey, we can do some videos and put it on my blog. We knew we were going to start a YouTube channel, but we could link directly those videos to her blog at the time. And I had actually just graduated college the year before. I got this new computer that wasn't set up to do video editing work. I didn't have any past experience with it, but I knew the computer had the capabilities to do so. So I was more just goofing around trying to figure out how to do it. And anyway, so we did those 6, and we didn't really think a whole lot of it. We came back. It took in 2018, so it was almost 3 years until we started doing a new batch of videos, and we did 5 in 2018. And I remember, just doing them, and then people would comment and like, "Hey, are you guys gonna do more?" And I don't know. It's just sort of doing it for the heck of it, right? And add them to the blog. But then in 2019, we actually released a total of 16 videos, all from the beginning of the year into July. But then once again, we stopped, and it wasn't until March of 2020. I was still a school teacher at the time, and it was right before all the pandemic stuff happened, and one of our previous videos was shared with somebody or something, and it put did a big spike as far as watch hours. And I got an email that said, "Oh, your channel's hit this mark." And I called my mom because I knew I was going to start teaching online rather than full time in a brick and mortar school. And I said, "Hey, not sure what's going on in the world right now, but I can. I'm teaching online now, so I can come out to your house, and we can maybe let's try to pick up this video stuff again." At the time, I think we had about 4,000 subscribers, and she said, "Okay, let's do it." And we just moved into this house that we're in here now, and ever since March of 2020, we've been consistently doing videos. I think we started with about 3 a week. Now we do 3 a week. And we started the podcast later that summer, and that's when Chelsea jumped in. Chelsea started doing some videos of herself. And anyway, long story short, if anyone cared to hear that, we have hit our 100,000 subscriber mark. And I'm not in front of the camera too much, but I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that helped us get to this point. It's completely changed, what I do with my career now and everything. I'm very more involved with this, with my mom and my sister, and it's let us reach a lot more people who have found my mom and sister's patterns and their fabric, and it's just been a great outlet for us to share everything and also to work together. So that's the little Quilting Life recap. It's been a 10-year process, some big gaps in there, but over the last 4 years, we've been very consistent, and it's paid off, and we just appreciate everyone for supporting our channel. So with that, I'm going to pass the mic to Chelsea. We're each going to share a couple of our favorite memories.
So Billy asked me to share a favorite memory, and I thought I have so many. Like, there's so many wonderful memories just being together and kind of stuff that go off text from the outline, and those memories shared. I think I just have to say, like, it's just the memories that we've had together, and we're really, really close. And it's just been a lot of fun to share this journey with them. But I actually think some of my favorite memories are the things that are off screen that probably haven't aired on the podcast, because sometimes they get cut or sometimes they get going on stories. And I think that's just what my favorite part is we have a lot of good laughs, and it's just being together that is my favorite, I think, memory out of everything. So
I love that. I feel like just the last time we taped a podcast, Chelsea said, Billy, are you going to cut this? And he said, yes, I'm going to cut that. So
Sometimes I leave them in.
yeah, but we have a lot of great memories. I too remember that phone call from Billy because I think he was at a baseball game when he got the email that the channel, had that spike. And so I remember that phone call. I was like, yeah, we can do more videos. It's always good to show people. It's sort of, lots of people are visual learners. I know everyone I know uses YouTube to figure things out at one time or another. So I thought it would be a good idea. And I'm so grateful we did it because I know we have reached a whole new audience that we wouldn't have reached any other way. And lots of favorite memories. Probably, I loved when Chelsea surprised Billy with the baseball jersey. That has to be one of my favorites because I knew about it, and I don't keep secrets very well, but I actually kept quiet about that one. So anyway, just wanted to say thank you again to everyone.
okay, so we are going to go ahead and open it up now. Mom, do you want to do the honors, you and Billy?
I don't know. I feel like Billy should do
I know. I feel like, okay, now Billy.
Now, Billy.
Okay. I'll hold the mic then. Okay, well, it got sent to us from YouTube, and it's really cool what they do. They just send it to you once you hit the 100,000 subscriber mark. You don't have to pay anything for it. That's just their gift to us. And so it was sent into my address. There is a little letter here from the CEO of YouTube, and he starts out, do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th, your 1,000th, and we don't really know who's all of those people, but I guess we do sort of remember when we hit those different milestones. And so and leaves a nice letter, and then go ahead, Mom, if you want to hold it up. I guess we can take it out of the wrapper too. Don't know how. I'm not behind the camera today.
I don't know if it gets fingerprints. It's really beautiful.
Go ahead and hold up, and it says presented to a Quilting Life for passing 100,000 subscribers. And there it is, the silver plaque. And we were talking, and we're going to put it up. You'll see it on our next podcast episode behind me, right? You guys good at that? So that's where it's going to be displayed. So, but that's it. We got it.
It's so pretty.
And we thank everybody for helping us receive this plaque.
I just have to second that. We are so grateful. We have the best community of all of you, and I know we all feel the same. We just want to thank you so much. This was really, really cool, and it's not just us. It's all of us together, which is awesome because it's just been a really awesome space to be a part of, and all of the videos and all of the support that you give, and we hope to have many more videos, and so.
Okay. Yeah. Second all of that. Again, thank you so much. We really appreciate, and we really appreciate all the kind comments and suggestions and listener question ideas and topic ideas. We just really appreciate everything. Okay, so I think that's a wrap. It's unwrapped. It's out of the box, and we just want to say thanks so much for stopping by.